together as one family of St. Candida Maria Jesus to celebrate Christmas. A season of joy, a season of light, and a season of hope. But as we celebrate, we also remember the storms that have shaken many lives. Floods, earthquakes, and typhoons that have tested our courage and faith.
Families have lost homes. Communities have been displaced. Yet, amid pain and loss, we discover something stronger than any calamity. The unbreakable spirit of hope.
During every disaster, we see how people choose to help instead of run away. How strangers become family. How light shines through the darkest night. Hope is born when someone cares.
Just like the first Christmas, the world waited in darkness. And in a humble manger, a child was born, bringing peace to all, especially to the weary and the poor.
This year, we celebrate Christmas not because everything is perfect, but because God is with us, even in the storm.
Emmanuel means God is with us. In every flooded street, in every destroyed home, in every tear shed, and in every hand that reaches out to help.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Receive our King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And heaven nature sing, and heaven nature sing, and heaven
Hope is not just a feeling, it is a choice. A choice to believe that after every storm, there is rebuilding. And after every loss, there is healing. And after every night, there is Christmas morning.
Just like the star that guided the wise men, hope guides us forward. And today, we celebrate that hope. Not because of what we have, but because of who is with us.
Let this Christmas remind us of a love that never abandons, a joy that no storm can wash away, and a hope that no flood can drown.
Together, let us be bearers of light, helping those in need, lifting each other up, and living the true spirit of Christmas.
This Christmas, may hope rise in our hearts, may peace fill our homes, and may love be our strongest foundation. Because no calamity is greater than our unity, and no storm is stronger than our hope.